Hey, it's Michael Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Wednesday, December 14th, 2011. So let's take a look at what happened on Tuesday in some of the indexes. Now, it was FOMC day. We gapped up, we pushed higher, and then we rolled over. So, we came in oversold. We came in looking for a bounce. The best we could do is a gap up and a push high. I think we were up 12 or whatever it was S&P futures points. So it was a pretty good push early on. We just couldn't sustain it. And then after the FOMC announcement, there was no fade of the spike, and we trended down for the afternoon, and then we got a late bounce that brought us up off the lows. So we held the 50-day moving average. That's good. I talked about this a couple of days ago. I was leaning to the long side after Friday's day, waiting for confirmation. We didn't get it, and I did say that I thought if we were going to pull back, it wasn't just going to be a tank job, and that's where I'm sitting still. I still think we have a chance to get a Santa Claus rally, holiday rally, not to offend anybody, right? And I still think that can happen here, and I think that if we go down, I don't think it's going to be a sharp move here. We're oversold here, just as we were, well, probably more than we were coming into Tuesday. So I'll be watching for a bounce on Wednesday, but I'm not going to guess at it. A lot of news coming out, and still, just continue rotation here, and a lot of people are banking on this Santa Claus rally, especially the fund managers who are looking to mark up their portfolios. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, okay? This is a pretty strong seasonal period right here. December option expiration or the final triple witching, but doesn't mean anything. Right, so far we're down for 2 days. Nothing saying we're not going to be down every day this week, but we are oversold here, and I am going to be watching for a bounce with confirmation. Okay, so that's really it. I'll go over some stocks. I'm not going to go over all the indexes because the story is the same. Here's Apple. All right, this is a stock I definitely want to watch if we do decide to bounce. I'm not saying, get long here. Let's wait for the market first. But this is a stock, nice consolidation here. And I could see this trying to tag 400 into the triple witch and maybe even scare a couple of the 400 strike call sellers and maybe even exceed it. Let's just watch it there. Okay, Amazon finally rolled over here, came a little shy of the target, which is down here at 177.10. I'd love to see that weakness, early weakness on Wednesday, maybe test that, maybe even take it out, and then potentially remount it. Could get a bounce there as well. Hang some 175 put sellers or put buyers, to hang them out to dry, so the 175 put sellers would be able to make some money there. Just looking at some strikes overall, but this was looking weak, and we talked about that, how it went below the 200-day and just kind of limped up while the market was trying to bounce. So this is definitely not unexpected. We'll see if it can hold support. Google pushed to a new high early, but spinning top. So if we don't get the bounce and we pull back, this is one. Even though it's showing some relative strength, this rejection here could lead it back down to the 20 EMA. All right, try to maybe even pin 625 or pin under 625. Goldman. Okay, this is a nasty day, down nearly 3% here. See if it wants to retest these lows. CMG had a nasty day. Yeah, down 3.29%, 11 points. Watch the 20 EMA there. Priceline was another one I was watching for lower prices. Okay, we watched this one during the week. If the market was going to roll over, this was one to watch. All right, so you can see a nice push so far here. See if it can tag this low here. Let's look at Las Vegas Sands. We're watching that one. Looks like it wants to head down to this lower trend line. Still in a bigger picture range here. Okay, what else did I want to look at tonight? I had a couple. Let's look at gold and silver. So here's GLD. All right, another nasty day. The gap down on Monday, and then some continuation down. Watch the 200-day moving average. SLV. Okay, looks like it wants to make its move down and test the 2740 area, that low from September. USO had a little bounce here. It's forming something on this 200-day. So if it can oscillate on here, maybe it can get a lift up and get past 40. That's really it. I'm in wait and see mode to see if we get that bounce on Wednesday. I'll talk more about it in the S&P video. But basically, I'm looking for early weakness that holds for potential buying opportunity. All right, that's it. I will talk to everybody again on Thursday. Have a great trading day on Wednesday.